All right, today's math lesson is we're going to use our magic number. Now, so for our math lesson today, you are going to need a 10 frame. You can print this off of your resources or it's attached to your lesson today. So get you a 10 frame, and then you need some small objects, pennies, Fruit Loops, something that you have around your house. You can tear up little bits of paper, whatever you have. Sometimes at my house we use these little army men, so if you've got some toys that look the same, you can use those to fill up your 10 frame, okay? So today we're going to work with our magic number 10. And the reason that we start with why 10 is so important is because we looked at yesterday how adding to 10 makes it easy and quick and efficient to add. Because 3 plus 10 is 13 and 4 plus 10 is 14. So when I get to 10, I can add really quickly. So let's take out our objects today and let's start filling up our 10 frame to make sure we have 10. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, check your 10 frame, make sure you've got 10 objects. Now, I know that it's 10 because I've got 5 on this row, 5 on that row, so 10 is full. It's all the way full. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to find ways to make 10 using two different numbers. We're going to take 10 and we're going to break it apart in two groups so that when we're doing math, we can look at two numbers and make a 10 so we can add quickly. So I've got 10 here, and over here is I've kind of made me a little circle of a holding tank, and I'm only using 10. I'm not getting my extras over here. I'm not getting more anything. I'm starting with the number 10. Okay, so I'm going to go and break 10 apart. So I'm going to go to the last one, and I'm going to put him over here. So now I have split 10 into two groups. So in my first group, I have 1, then I'm going to draw the plus sign, and then how many do I have left in my 10 frame? I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 and 9 equals 10. Get a piece of paper, and I want you to start writing down these combinations of 10 with me so that we can put those in your head. And we're going to play lots of games this week using combinations of 10. So I've got 1 over here, 9 over here. Now, I'm going to keep breaking 10 apart into two groups. So I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to put him over here. So I've got 2, and then I'm going to put my plus sign. Remember, plus means putting together. Put your fingers like this. That means putting together, so make your plus sign. And then I've got 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 10. Now, also on the tens frame, I know there's 8 because there's 2 blank. That's where these guys are here. So I still only have 10. So 1 and 9 and 2 and 8, they make the same thing. So if I have a 1, its partner is 9. If I have a 2, its partner is 8 to make 10. So let's say I take him and I split 10 apart again into another group. So now I have what? 3, put your plus sign, plus 5, 6, 7 equals 10. Now I want you to continue on your own until you get all the way to 0. Okay, I want you to get all the way to 0 on your 10 frame. So continue on today using your 10 mat, your 10 frame, and your circles, and write all the combinations of 10 that you can come up with using two numbers. All right, do a good job today, guys. See you later.